This is the lifetime earnings on a YouTube channel that I started in 2022. Not once did I show my face and not once did I make a single video myself. And if we go ahead and check out the monthly earnings, we can see that this channel averages out to a little bit over $10,000 every single month. And I don't gatekeep any information, so I'll teach you my exact strategy. So this YouTube channel, Screen Crush, is absolutely killing it right now. And all they do is rinse and repeat their topics across different TV shows and movies. For example, if we scroll down, we can see just how many Easter egg videos they have made on just different TV shows and movies. And if we look at this title right here, this title, The Peacemaker Season 2, is pretty much the exact same title as this one right here, but it's just on a different TV show or movie. So my thought process when I was starting this channel was all I needed to do was find a couple of different winning topics and I could replicate Screen Crush's success. But to stand out and actually build an audience of people that enjoy my content and build a cult-like audience like Screen Crush has, these topics do need to be unique. So coming up with these winning topics that get a ton of views, that's the tricky part. Especially because I'm not the most creative person, but luckily we do have ChatGPT. So I'll walk you through the exact prompts to use to create these winning topics and replicate Screen Crush's success. Okay, so we're now on ChatGPT. And for starters, you do want to make sure that you are using ChatGPT 4.5. And before you send prompt number 1, you do want to make sure you do click deep research. If you don't use deep research and you don't use 4.5, this strategy just won't work. So we're gonna go ahead and insert prompt number 1. And with prompt number 1, basically what it's doing is asking ChatGPT to study the channel Screen Crush, overall studying what makes the channel perform so well, studying their titles, their topics, specifically with their top performing videos. And then at the very bottom, it's asking ChatGPT to basically provide 20 ideas for videos, topics, titles, etc. to add a twist to our channel to make it more unique and eye-catching to build that cult-like following. So we're gonna go ahead and send prompt number 1. Right when we send it, I just fucked up. I didn't click deep research. So I'm gonna go ahead and recopy this. I'm gonna go ahead and paste that there. And again, like I mentioned, you do want to make sure before you send prompt number 1, you do click on deep research or else this just won't work. So we're going to click deep research, it turns blue, and then we're going to send. So after you send it, it's going to ask a few questions. So we're going to go ahead and just answer these questions. What kind of shows or movies are you most interested in covering? Any popular show or movie, just like Screen Crush does. And then we're going to go ahead and so do you have a specific style in mind? Breakdowns, deep lowers, comedy. You want the channel. So I want the videos to be somewhat like Screen Crush, a different style of topic / title to be more unique and build following what Screen Crush has. Would you like the channel to focus more on short form or long form content only? Do you want to incorporate any personal branding? The channel will be faceless, but have the same voiceover in every video. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and send the answers to these questions. And the deep research, it varies on how long it takes. It can take anywhere from 8 minutes to 30 minutes. So instead of just sitting here watching the screen for 30 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and cut. And then once it sends the analysis back, I will restart and we'll pick up from there. Okay, so it just finished up with the analysis. It took about 7 minutes and we're gonna go ahead and look through this. It's gonna basically break down the entire strategies that Screen Crush does use and the complete channel analysis. You don't necessarily have to read through all this. What I'm more so interested in is this portion right here. So let's go ahead and see what it did provide. It's more so aimed towards like video ideas, actual titles. However, what I want is more so title strategies, topic strategies, etc. So we're going to go ahead and send another prompt. We're going to basically say, can you provide 20 video topic and title strategies? So how can I make my titles and topics for my channel unique? We're going to go ahead and send that and see what it does provide. Okay, so it has the 20 strategies, and what we're going to do is go through and pick out 5 of them. We'll pick out 5 of them that I think would perform the best. That way we can actually test out 5 different ones for the first uploads on a channel. So for example, let's go ahead and find the 5 best ones. So I'm not the biggest fan of what if scenarios, basically topics where I would have to have my scriptwriter go through and create an entire story, be super creative. I don't necessarily want to do that. It's going to be a lot harder to essentially have the channel really pop and have really good videos. So that's a no. That's a no. This one is good because we can essentially just have the scriptwriter do a ton of research. So character deep dives is definitely a good one. I'm going to go ahead and just write this down on a notepad. Character deep dives, good. Behind the scenes, this is good as well. Secret connections across. So let me go ahead and write down strategy 4. We'll write down strategy 3. And then what you can do is essentially at the very end of this, with all of your strategies that you're going to do, you can basically just choose the TV shows that are the highest performers on Screen Crush, or even just the movies. For example, right now, Endorse is performing really, really good. The Last of Us Season 2 performing really, really good. Also Superman performing amazing. You would essentially take the TV shows and movies that Screen Crush is doing that is absolutely crushing it, no pun intended, and then have ChatGPT make video titles just like Screen Crush, but for these strategies, if that makes sense. So this one is also good. So we have 3 of them right now. And then this one's also really good. So this is Easter egg speed runs. So at the very end in 10 minutes. When they do Easter eggs, it's always super long videos, like 50 minutes, 17 minutes, 16 minutes, 31 minutes, 46 minutes. So what you can do is attract the fans that don't want to sit there for 30 plus minutes to watch these Easter eggs, but you can basically just do it 50 Mandalorian Easter eggs explained in 10 minutes. This is also a really good concept. Myth bunting, villain's perspective. That's also a really good one. This is also a really good one. This is also a really good one. This is also a really good one. So we got a lot more than just 5, but a lot of these are definitely very, very good. So we'll just stop there. So we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 different video topics and strategies that we can do for a bunch of different videos, and then really test each one of these out with different TV shows, movies, etc. that are already performing really good on Screen Crush. And this allows you to make a channel just like this. However, being a little bit more unique in attracting the same audience, so the audience from Screen Crush can still watch your channel and actually enjoy your content without it being just the same exact thing. We're basically doing what they're doing with a unique spin to it. So that's how to essentially use Screen Crush's strategy while being a little bit more unique. And you don't have to be super creative. ChatGPT basically did all of the legwork. Now I'm going to go ahead and explain how to actually find a content team to make these videos. So for the content team, I personally do use Upwork the most. I just post job postings for a scriptwriter, editor, and thumbnail designer. And I just pay the editor an extra $5 to essentially make the voiceover using 11labs.io. However, in my first video, if you just click right here, you can go and watch that first video. I completely break down my strategies that I use to find a content team. So there's a complete breakdown there. Just go ahead and click that card and you can go and watch that video. But that pretty much is the entire strategy that I would personally use to essentially replicate Screen Crush and see the success they're seeing while being a little bit more unique. And I recommend uploading a minimum of 2 videos per week. And once you do find your winning topics, just do exactly what Screen Crush does and essentially use that topic across every popular movie, TV show, etc. For example, like with this video right here, this video in total has made $7,657. It was uploaded March 15th of last year. So it's basically been about a year since it was uploaded. However, every single day, this video is still making more and more and more money because the topic itself is a very evergreen topic. And all the topics that you'll be uploading on your channel, just like Screen Crush is a very evergreen topic. So these videos are always going to make money. So as you build that backlog of evergreen content on your channel, and that just comes from uploading consistently, again, a minimum of 2 videos per week, your channel does become a cash flowing asset from the backlog of evergreen content.